Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So, Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to delete all messages from both sides at once, but there are ways to delete individual messages for both parties and to manage your direct messages more efficiently. So, in order to do that, simply open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Then tap on the message icon available in the top right corner of the home screen. Then select the conversation containing the messages you want to delete. So let's choose any conversation for an example now. So after you tap on it, select the specific message you want to remove, as in long press it. And after you long press it, you'll see the unsend option available there. Simply tap on the unsend and confirm the action if prompted. So what happens? After you tap on the unsent message, which removes them from both the senders and recipient chats as well. So after that, you can simply go back to the messages option and slide the conversation, and you can see the delete option available there and simply delete the conversation. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.